Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CodeHunger, and today we will learn about Mollie subscription in Laravel 8. Okay, so to integrate Mollie subscription in Laravel 8, I am going to follow whatever the steps given on my blog. So let's start this video. Okay, so very first thing I am going to do is to create account on the Mollie. Okay, to create the account on your Mollie, just simply click on the link here, right here. Okay, and after that you have to need the API key. When you log in, you will go to the developer API key and just copy your test API key. We will use it later. Okay, now I am moving forward. Now the other part is, if you have already the project, then no need to run this command. Otherwise you have to run this command in order to install a Laravel project. As I have already installed the Laravel project, so I am not going to use this command. Other command is used for the Mollie package, which will installed under our vendor folder. So I've already run this command and I have my Mollie package inside the vendor. Now moving forward. So other point is to create auth scaffolding, right? What this command will do: the first command will install the node and pm modules. After that, the composer require Laravel UI and then the view auth. It will create a auth, that means a login and the sign up. Okay, other thing is I have written a migration command, right? PHP artisan make migration add Mollie customer ID. What this command will do? This command will actually add one more column to your users table. I have already done this thing, so I am just moving forward. And okay, here is the command, right? You have to do this thing, right? So that one more table will be added right after the Mollie customer ID. Let me see you my my PHP my admin. Okay, just I'm going to the PHP my admin, and here is the Laravel demo users. Okay, so if you see my users table, right? So here you can see that there is one Mollie customer ID column has been added. So to add the column using the migration, you must have to run this command and add the code. This will do this thing. Okay, then you have to run PHP migrate. Now I will start from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a controller. Okay, so let's copy this code to create the controller and paste it right here. Okay, so what this command do? This will create controller under the app http folder inside the controllers, right here, Mollie controller, right? Now I will add this code in the controller. Just copy the code for right now. I will explain it later. Okay, now I have to add the routes. I have to add one namespace on the top. Here I have already added. Okay, and then these three routes are needed. Okay, then we have to create one blade file, mollie success.blade.php. Okay, resources, views, and here I have created the file and put this code under your Mollie success page. Now go to home.blade.php and just there is a minor change, just I have added this line, as you can see here, right? So now it's time to test the integration. Okay, so before testing the integration, let me tell you how it is actually working, right? So very first thing, it's all start from the Mollie create payment. When you click on this route, right, Mollie create payment, then what happen? It will go to the controller and it will call this function, the very first function. What I'm doing here, when you comes here, right, and you are as a auth here, right, then I will create. Then first, in the first thing, I am checking that the Molly customer ID is existing or not. If not exist, then I will create one customer on Molly and store the customer ID in the users table, right? After that, what I am doing, I am making a small payment so that I can save the credit card, and we will use that credit card to make the subscription, because in the Molly we need that thing to create the subscription, otherwise it is not possible to create a subscription. So this is a point that you have to note it down, that you must need to if, for example, if the customer is very new, then the customer must have to make a payment in order to use the subscription. Okay, so here is the code for just I'm making a payment for a 1 USD, right? After that, I will back to the, when you will make the payment, then the subscription page will open, and here is the code for the Molly subscription, and here I will use the DD to show the response, right? When someone subscribes the Molly subscription. Let's change it to the monthly payment interval every month. Stamp says we won. Okay, okay, let's then do it. Just run type php artisan serve. This will start the Laravel development server. So just click here, and here I started. I will, let's register account. Okay, so I am register myself as what name? Elon Musk? No. Let's take some great people name. Let's say Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Okay, I'm using MAHATMA Mahatma. Fine. And let's say GANDHI Gandhi at the rate test.com. Password एक, why should I tell you password? Okay. So your account has been created, and here it is showing to pay €1, because the part is if you want to add the Molly subscription on your payment gateway website, then the user must have purchased already something for from a website, then he will able to subscription. Otherwise, if the user first time comes and you want to promote for the subscription, then it is not possible in case of the Molly. So let's start with €1 payment. It will redirect us to the Molly payment gateway. Okay, and I'm choosing the credit card. Let's take it as a paid. Continue. Okay, now you can see the subscription plan has been come, and you can see the message that the payment has been successfully received. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to make a subscription plan, right? I am putting here the $15, but from the behind I am using $25 as a statically. You can pass it dynamic when you are integrating this thing on your side, because I am trying to make this thing simpler as much as it is possible. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see the response, right? Here you can see the amount, right? €25, and here you can see the resource subscription, the and your subscription ID has been come, the customer ID has been come, right? The more is the test, description monthly payment, right? And here you can see the next payment date. So the part is your subscription has been created and the user has been subscribed to the Molly. So I hope you like this video and understood what is going on. If you still doesn't understand, don't worry for that. You will go on my blog also, and here I have shown each and everything in a very explained manner. Even though if this thing is not enough, you can free to message me, or you can mail me, or say you can also mail us on the support at the rate codehunger.in. We are always give you a proper support if you get stuck at anywhere. So thank you so much guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much, thanks for watching.